Second, time's dance with stillness, the power of pauses. Third, living time versus time living you, the riddle of existence. And fourth, steer your own ship, taking control in the river of time. The elusive nature of time. Time, like a shape-shifting spirit, tempts us to believe it reigns supreme over our lives, just like a zebra sprinting through savannah. We often find ourselves entrapped in life's urgencies, mistaking motion for purpose. Yet we must not forget the wisdom of the African proverb that promises, however long the night, the dawn will break. Second, time's dance with stillness.